In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find your Amazon order number, also known as the order ID, using the desktop website. This is especially useful when you need to reference a past purchase or handle customer service inquiries. Understanding how to locate this information ensures you can manage your orders seamlessly. So, let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Amazon account. Head over to the Amazon website and enter your credentials. Ensure you're using the correct account if you have multiple, as each account will only show the orders placed through it. Once you're logged in, the next step is reaching the Orders section, which holds the key to your past purchases. Navigate to the upper right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Accounts and Lists. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Your Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your transactions, allowing you to locate any order you've previously made. Now that you're on the Orders page, scroll through your list to find the specific order in question. This could take a moment if you've made numerous purchases, but you can easily use the search bar provided to type in keywords related to your purchase, making the process much faster. Once you locate the order you're interested in, you're just a few clicks away from discovering its order number. Within the summary of the order, look for an option that says Order Details, or something similar, usually positioned nearby. Clicking on Order Details will lead you to a more detailed view of the transaction. Here you can see more information about the purchase you made, including payment methods, shipping details, and the all-important order number. At the top of this Order Details page, you will find a series of numerals, often accompanied by hyphens, labeled as Order Number or Order ID. This is the order number you've been seeking. Make a note of it, especially if you need it for further inquiries or want to track this purchase's history. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to finding your Amazon order ID on your desktop. This process is designed to be user-friendly, and knowing where to access such crucial information ensures that managing your online shopping experience is both effective and stress-free. Whether for future reference or immediate necessity, locating your order number is made effortless by these clear steps. Now you're fully equipped to access your order information whenever needed. Happy shopping, and we hope you found this guide helpful.